Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best collapsible stools is probably one of the most versatile and space-saving seating solutions available today, offering unparalleled convenience for a variety of situations, from outdoor adventures and camping trips to small apartment living and even temporary seating at events, making them an indispensable item for anyone looking to maximize their space and comfort without compromising on portability or style. Number 5. Boreeman Upgraded Folding Stool. Introducing the Boreeman Upgraded Folding Stool, your perfect companion for any outdoor activity. It's designed to be both lightweight and incredibly sturdy, ready for wherever life takes you. Experience unparalleled durability with its patented fish scale structure and reinforced design. It boasts an impressive load capacity of 400 pounds, offering superior stability and resistance to tilting compared to other options. Weighing just 2.54 pounds and featuring an adjustable strap, this portable stool is easy to carry. Take it camping, fishing, hiking, or simply use it around your home for convenient seating. Thanks to its precise engineering, you can effortlessly extend and collapse this stool in mere seconds. Its smooth operation ensures a hassle-free experience every time you use it. Customize your comfort with adjustable height settings, ranging from 2.56 to 17.72 inches. With 12 positions to choose from, it adapts perfectly to any situation. Designed with snap joints, it stays securely closed when not in use, preventing accidental opening. This feature makes it even more convenient for travel and storage. We stand by our product with a 1-year warranty, ensuring your satisfaction. If you have any questions, our dedicated support team is ready to assist you. What we like? This stool boasts an impressive 400 pounds load capacity, thanks to its patented fish scale structure and reinforced design. It's also height adjustable, allowing you to customize your seating. If you need a robust and reliable option for outdoor activities like camping or fishing, and prioritize sturdiness, this is a great choice. What people say. The stool is very sturdy and can hold a lot of weight. It is easy to set up and take down, making it convenient for travel. The compact design allows for easy storage when not in use. Number 4. Squatty Potty Oslo Folding Bamboo Toilet Stool. Our bodies are designed for efficiency. This stool helps you achieve a more natural position for easier and faster bathroom trips. Doctor recommended, it repositions your body to loosen muscles, promoting a more efficient and complete elimination. You'll feel better after using it. It folds away easily for discreet storage, making it perfect for any bathroom or even for travel. Save space effortlessly. By mimicking a natural squat, it helps your colon work optimally. Experience reduced strain, shorter bathroom times, and smoother eliminations. With a 7-inch height, it's ergonomically designed for comfort for both adults and children. It fits most toilets and people perfectly. What we like? This stool is ergonomically designed to improve your bathroom experience by promoting a more natural squatting position. It's made from sustainable bamboo and is collapsible for easy storage. If you're looking to enhance your digestive health and reduce strain, this is the stool for you, especially for discreet use at home or while traveling. What people say. The stool is very sturdy and can hold a lot of weight. It is easy to set up and take down, making it convenient for travel. The compact size when collapsed allows for easy storage in small spaces. Number 3. Mifami Foldable One-Step RV Ladder Stool. Introducing a step stool built to last. Crafted with high-quality materials and advanced welding, it offers exceptional strength and durability. Its water-resistant coating ensures it can handle the elements, supporting up to 500 pounds. Make getting in and out of your RV, motorhome, or trailer easier than ever. This all-metal step is perfect for everyone, including pets and seniors, providing a stable platform. Beyond your RV, this stool is incredibly versatile. Use it to reach high shelves in closets or kitchens, or as a helpful bathroom or kitchen step for children. It's suitable for numerous situations. Use it as a home footstool, an RV step, a medical step, or even a toilet stool for added convenience. Safety is paramount with its fully covered non-slip platform and locking feet for double security. The thickened rubber feet provide superior stability on any surface, indoors or out. Designed for convenience, it's easy to carry wherever you need it. Enjoy stability and accessibility on the go. What we like? With a robust 500 pounds capacity and a non-slip platform, this step stool offers exceptional stability and safety. Its all-metal construction makes it durable for various uses, including as an RV step for pets and seniors. If you need a sturdy, reliable step for your RV, or for reaching high places around the house, this is an excellent, safe option. What people say. This stool is very sturdy and can hold a lot of weight. It is easy to set up and take down, and it is very portable. The design is sleek and modern, and it looks great in any room. Number 2. Doseno Upgraded Foldable Stool, Rainbow. Experience unparalleled convenience with this upgraded stool. Its innovative design allows for quick and effortless unfolding, providing a comfortable seat in moments. Crafted from high-density, thickened PP material, this stool offers exceptional strength and stability. The reinforced structure and non-slip base ensure a safe and comfortable seating experience. Weighing just 2 pounds, this portable stool is designed for life on the go. Its compact, foldable design and adjustable shoulder strap make it easy to carry wherever your adventures take you. Customize your seating experience with adjustable height options, ranging from 2.4 to 17.5 inches. It's perfect for users of all ages, ensuring comfort for everyone. From outdoor excursions like hiking and fishing to indoor gatherings and everyday use, this versatile stool is your perfect companion. Enjoy a comfortable seat or a convenient side table, anytime and anywhere. Opening and closing the stool is a breeze thanks to its intuitive design. Simply twist the top and bottom to extend or retract it, and store it away compactly when not in use. What we like. This stool is incredibly lightweight at only 2 pounds and features a thickened PP material for added durability and stability. It's also height adjustable, making it versatile for various users and situations. If you prioritize portability and comfort for activities like hiking, fishing, or attending outdoor events, and want a stool that's easy to carry and use anywhere, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The stool is very sturdy and can hold a lot of weight. It is easy to set up and take down, and it is very portable. The design is sleek and modern, and it looks great in any room. Number 1. NUMANU 2026 Upgraded Collapsible Stool. Introducing the NUMANU 2026 Upgraded Collapsible Stool. It's designed for maximum convenience and durability, ready for any adventure. We stand by our product with a US-based lifetime warranty. Unlike many foreign brands, we offer reliable support right here at home. This upgraded model is lighter yet stronger, supporting up to 620 pounds. It collapses to a compact size and extends up to 18 inches, offering adjustable height for your comfort. Worry-free use with our self-open prevention lock. It ensures the stool stays securely in place, preventing unexpected collapses. From camping and hiking to concerts and everyday tasks, this versatile stool is perfect for countless activities. Use it as a seat or a footrest wherever you go. Your purchase makes a difference. A portion of our sales goes to support wounded U.S. Army veterans. Thank you for your contribution. What we like. This stool stands out with its exceptional 620 pounds weight capacity and a US-based lifetime warranty, offering unparalleled peace of mind. It's also adjustable up to 18 inches, providing a comfortable seating height for various needs. If you're looking for the most durable, long-lasting, and supportive option with excellent customer backing, especially for heavier individuals or those who demand the best warranty, this is the one to consider. What people say. It is very sturdy and can hold a lot of weight. The stool is easy to set up and take down, making it convenient for travel. The compact size when collapsed allows for easy storage in small spaces. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.